Well, hey, we're here at DevOpsDays Raleigh with Cecelia. Please introduce yourself to the All Things Open community.
Yeah, I'm Cecelia Martinez, she, her. I'm a lead developer advocate at OutSystems.
Great. Well, you have a talk here at DevOpsDays Raleigh. What are some of the key takeaways that you're going to share with the audience?
Yeah, so my talk is about AI, which I know is really popular right now, but I wanted to focus on some of the other applications of AI across the software development lifecycle, not just code generation. So yeah, we take a look at how you can implement AI into testing, monitoring, and observability, as well as continuous deployments.
Oh, great. Jumping back to the broader scheme in DevOps, so what's a topic or a trend or debate that you're following that you think people should be aware of?
Yeah, I think it's really been interesting, the kind of debate around the difference between DevOps, platform engineering, and internal developer experience. I think a lot of times these different topics and initiatives have the same goals, but maybe are just going about it a different way. So I'm curious to see how it lands and how these different concepts can kind of collaborate and come to a consensus in order to support developers.
Oh, that's great. What's a piece of advice or a tip that you'd like to share with the All Things Open community?
Yeah, I would definitely say take advantage and look into what local developer meetups and groups are available to you. It's something that I have really benefited from throughout my career, going to local meetups and meeting up with groups in Atlanta. And there's a lot out there if you look for it, and it can be something that really not only helps you build your network and learn technical things, but also just kind of give back to the community and help to foster that growth.
Hey, this is Todd with All Things Open. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. We've got a lot of new content coming we think you're going to be interested in. One final favor, be sure to go to allthingsopen.org, allthingsopen.org to see everything that we do. Back to the video.
So for people that are just maybe getting back out into the world, what's the best way they can look up their local meetups or find out what's happening in their community?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's definitely meetup platforms like meetup.com, there's Eventbrite, you can even, just do a search. I would also recommend taking a look at any local organizations or events that are larger events that are taking place, like conferences or seminars, because a lot of times meetups will also partner with those events, and you can find out about them that way too. Awesome.
We're here at DevOpsDays Raleigh. What's something that you've enjoyed about the conference so far? That why are you here other than your talk, and what's exciting about DevOpsDays Raleigh?
Yeah, so this is my second DevOpsDays Raleigh. I came last year, and I knew that I wanted to come back, and I definitely will be back again next year. I think something that's really unique about this event is how open everybody is to discussing real world topics and digging into some harder problems. That's not something that you see a lot of at events, where sometimes it's more surface level conversations or people have their own agendas. I think this event is not only provides some really great technical insights, but you hear everybody talking about it between and all the breaks, and that level of connection is something that's really unique here.
Yeah, I definitely feel like the learning vibe here, It's definitely a learning environment. So, where can the All Things Open community find you on the socials?
Yeah, I'm Cecelia Creates, so my name is Cecelia, the word creates. That's where you can find me on Twitter, on GitHub, all of the above. So,
well, thanks for your time today.
Yeah, thanks so much.
All right, appreciate it.
Cheers.